Okay, and this one, the brake trip. See a lot of oil there. There's a lot of oil there. See that? Why the brake trip? Why? I'm gonna disconnect that. I'm gonna disconnect the compressor and take it from there. I bet you the terminal on the compressor is bad. So anyway, yeah, let me do that. Oh, this one is a no-go. So compressor's bad, burned out in this one. So it's not that old either. It's a 2000. This is 2007. That's it, 2007. It's not that old. Well, it's bad. He's gonna need a new one. Okay, Roddy, let me go inside, get some information, and then I'm out of here to the next one.